Hello and welcome to Create to Make. Now on this project I'm going to make this. It's a nice Zebrano wood bowl. Now it's just gorgeous. So watch what I do and I'll see you at the end. So this Zebrano is actually bought from the Andals. The show last year in September was really good and I managed to get this really nice piece of Zebrano. So here I am just putting the backing plate on so I can mount it to the lathe. I could have actually put it in between centres, but I feel more secure with the actual backing plate. I'm now just facing off and going to just put a mortise in there so I can actually put it onto the track. This is the Energy sander from Axminster. It's really good for sanding bowls and I'm really impressed with it. It takes less time and it actually does save on the amount of sandpaper you're actually using as well.
Just give me your all, just give me your all.
After sanding, I used a cellulose sanding sealer from Chestnut Products. It's really good for sealing the wood. After that, I sand it and then give it a coat of Yorkshire Grit. On this occasion, I use Yorkshire Grit Original and Yorkshire Grit Microfine. These are really good products, and I thought I'd try the Microfine because it's a new product and I thought I'd try it, but the shine is really good from it and it just does make the grain pop. After that, I used Keith Brown's Food Safe Oil and Wax finish. It's a really good finish and it just adds an extra layer of shine on the actual bowl. It makes so much of a difference, so I would highly recommend getting some. I'll leave a link below for Keith's channel. As you can see, it is come out really nice and the grain is just pops. I'm just really impressed with Zebrano and I'm gonna have to buy some more. So if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down, and I will see you in the next project. So thank you again for watching. Ta-da!